I know I'd go back to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I sound really weird, I'll explain why here in a second, but I'm so sorry that I haven't been filming these advent calendar openings like I said I was going to. You guys know, if you follow me, you know that I had a little bit of a health scare, and then I kid you not, I don't know what my luck has been. That night after I went to the doctor for that thing, I came down with something really, really bad. Like, I was so sick, like lay in bed super sick for 3 days. I took a day off of work. I finally went back to work yesterday. I still felt pretty crummy, but I'm telling you, I feel really awesome today. I feel so good. I still sound bad, but I feel really, really good. So I'm better now. I have still been opening my gifts from my friend Alice. I just haven't been able to film them because, like I said, I've been so sick. All I've been doing is laying in bed. So I'm much better now. Everything that I was worried about with my health is fine, and I'm no longer sick. So but thank you to you guys that commented on my last video. I definitely am not at all, I promise, looking for sympathy whatsoever. I just wanted to explain why I haven't been filming. So that is why, again, sorry about my voice. I feel just fine. My voice is just still kind of weird. So I don't remember exactly what order I had opened these because, again, it was so many days that I opened without filming, but let's get into it. I'm just going to show you in random order, and then we'll open today's, which is day 12. But Alice got me some amazing things. I love them. So she got me this washi tape. It looks like it's from the Target Dollar Spot, which I love the Target Dollar Spot, and I haven't really been able to make it in this year. So I was so excited when she sent me this. It's my favorite. Buffalo check. Let's turn this light on and see if it, there we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. But I love Buffalo check. I still haven't done my Christmas decor tour, which I need to do now that I'm feeling better, but I have Buffalo check in that. I love this so much. I'm a huge fan of stamps because I love to color in my stamped images. This is so cute. Look, it's a little panda bear, and he's wearing glasses and a tie. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. So she got me that. And then these adorably cute little bows. They're like, is it felt, I guess is the material that I'm thinking of. But they're felt bows, and they're made into little paper clips. So this is funny that it says cute paper clips because I say that everything is cute. So look at these cute paper clips, guys. It says they're by Bella Boulevard. Whoops. So those are really adorable. And then she got me these buttons, and I think, are they adhesive? Yeah, it looks like they're adhesive. So you can stick them and add them to different things. I guess you could take the adhesive off the back and use it as a regular button if you wanted to, but it looks like they are meant to be like adhesive buttons to add to crafting. So those are also really adorable. I really like them. They look like Christmas sweaters, so I can't remember, let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, that should be everything. That should bring us up to 12. So today is day 12. Let's go ahead and open this together. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. I love this. So looks like she found a little card. That is so cute. I really love this. It says, it's a 5x7 handmade card with envelope and seal. The interior greeting is Merry Christmas. It looks like it's got the little seal right there. This is so cute. I'll go ahead and open it up and show it to you guys. Oh, I just noticed the seal says for you. So this is really, oops, sorry, I just made the camera shake because I just accidentally hit it, but this is adorable. So the Santa is pop, and several of features on him are also pop, but got the little pom-pom there. I like the background because it looks like wood, and on the inside it just says Merry Christmas. That's so cute. I like that a lot. I haven't gotten to film as much Christmas stuff as I would have liked. I've gotten really busy at work, and then I got sick, and it's been like, ugh, today has been such a good day. Like, sometimes we take for granted the days that we feel good, because you feel good most of the time, and the times that you're sick, you forget like how much we take for granted the days that we feel good. So today was one of those days where I woke up and I just felt good. I didn't feel sick anymore, and it was just a really, really good day. I had a great day at work. My kids were awesome. I feel like, if you don't know, I'm a teacher, so I felt like all of my lessons were just like on point today, and the kids did great, and they were remembering stuff from the day before, and that always makes me happy when I can tell that the kids are actually learning and retaining information in class. So that was day 12. This is, like I said, this has been so much fun. I love this card. It is so cute, and I love everything else that Alice has gotten me. If you haven't checked out my other videos of my other openings that I have opened before this, definitely go and check those out. But as always, guys, I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I'm going to try to be better about posting more videos now that I'm feeling better. And yeah, I just hope you guys have a great day. Bye.